Today, we're taking a closer look at the Silex Mini Greenhouse Cover, an excellent solution for anyone looking to enhance their gardening experience. This 4-tier PVC cover is designed to offer robust protection and facilitate plant growth whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. Constructed from high-quality PVC, this cover is both corrosion-resistant and durable, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. Its waterproof and anti-UV properties allow your plants to absorb more sunlight, which is crucial for their health and growth. With its transparent design, the cover provides ample light while keeping your plants safe from harsh environmental elements. The cover comes in 4 different sizes, including 69 by 49 by 92 centimeters, 69 by 49 by 126 centimeters, 69 by 49 by 160 centimeters, and 69 by 49 by 187 centimeters. This range of sizes makes it easy to find a perfect fit for your existing greenhouse structure or to replace an old, damaged cover point. One of the standout features of this cover is the roll-up zipper door. This thoughtful design element allows for easy access to your plants, making it convenient to water them or perform maintenance tasks. The cover can be used directly with a stick or with an iron frame, providing flexibility depending on your setup. Assembly is a breeze since no tools are required. You can quickly set it up, move it around, or store it when not in use, adapting to seasonal changes effortlessly. Ideal for starting seedlings, young plants, or flowers. This mini greenhouse cover is perfect for patios, decks, basements, or garages. It truly is a versatile and practical addition to any gardening setup, ensuring your plants thrive all year round.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.